Okay, another day, and still on the electrical. Let's get it off. You think something is going to live in here?
Oh, please no.
It's a classic. Even though you have your snorkel, the water valve out of the air filter housing has been leaking. So when I was standing that deep, I got water through the valve up into the cleaner. Cables, more cables. And then there is only one indicator light left. It's been mud here also. As far as we know, it's now free, except the steering column axle. Yeah, cancel. It looks really easy to dismantle. So, since we have another idea about lifting the body ourselves, maybe we should do the turnaround before we take it off. Hopefully we can get air on it. Yeah. So we'll have three big rubber mounts. There's one here, one on the opposite side, and one in the rear. Yeah, a little bit of rust, but not that bad. Ah, no rust. Nice. And yeah, you want to help. We actually have some more cables there. 2 more cables. Let's see if we can. There's air pressure, a diesel heater underneath the seat, like that. So it's diesel for that one. Okay. So, should we try? I want to feel if it's sort of loose. You can see that it's actually opening up. No?
No.
Let's try lifting closer. If I can. Yeah, I can. Yeah, that's right. Let's try the other side because we don't have the time here.
Or else could it be attached? What do we have next?
Yes, so the whole plate with the gear shifter and the handbrake and all that stuff, that will stay on the chassis. But yeah, we actually have nuts and bolts up here. Because this is just rubber. And then I see the edge of the body.
Yeah.
So let's try to have a screwdriver. Most definitely just sealed with the rubber. I found two more big bolts from the inside of the cab. I will loosen them and maybe we can check again if it's completely free. This was the feeling I was hoping for.
That's quite some difference.
And now the weight doesn't scare me.